Hello, I'm Roman Kemp and welcome to the Samsung Alternative Career Guide. Now 2020 been rubbish, yeah, really bad. GCSEs, A-levels, cancelled. University prospects up in the air, gap year, that's not going to happen. So I mean, what's left? Work? Yeah, I know. Well, luckily, there's a lot of exciting jobs out there, some of which didn't even exist a few years ago, especially in the tech industry. So Samsung have sent me around the country to find these people with incredible jobs, starting with Gemma Alcock, right? Who's a search and rescue drone operator.
I'm the founder and CEO of Skybound Rescuer, which is an organisation that specialises in the use of drones for public safety. I studied design business management at Bournemouth University. I was under the impression that you had to excel at maths and science at school to be well suited to a tech career, and I excelled at art and design. But luckily, my design degree had a lot of tech-based modules within it, so I still got to explore and realise my love for technology whilst at university. And to innovate successfully, you have to be able to think differently. So it's really benefited me to be a creative in the tech world. The biggest help that I had when I was starting my company is I approached the Prince's Trust. They have a great program that helps people under the age of 30 to start a company. So I would say that any startup, especially a tech startup, there's no such thing as an average day, a typical day. Every day is different, and that's part of the appeal. In order to work in this environment, you need to be motivated, you need to be innovative, and you need to be patient. Always believe in your dreams, because someday it may just become everyone's reality, even if you're the only person that can see that at the beginning.
So there you go, just one of the many incredible jobs that you probably didn't even know existed. Now next up, we have got a tech entrepreneur and app developer who taught herself how to code from scratch. Stay tuned.